Hello everyone, hope you're all safe and doing good. Yeah, this video was has been in making for quite a long time now. A lot of trips to the home center and a lot of orders on the Amazon and of course returns to the Amazon. Finally, the studio is in some kind of a format where I can show it to you guys without any fear in my heart. Yeah, so hopefully you liked it. This is going to be our new studio setup. Yeah, if you have any suggestions or recommendations, please do feel free to write it down in the comment section below. Yeah, now coming to the main point. I know that I have not been consistent on this channel for about 3 months now. I was facing some personal problems because of which I was not able to make the videos, and hence the lack of videos on this channel. During this period, you guys have been really supportive for me, and I have received a lot of messages on Instagram and as well in the comments asking about my well-being and asking about my whereabouts. So this care really matters, and thank you very much. Thank you for sticking around. And yeah, now the things are looking good. So hopefully I should be able to crank out the videos every week. So you know the schedule. And yeah, that is probably it for the vlog today. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye, and thank you very much.